How you can use the referral code into the Shein. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can use your referral codes in the Shein. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Shein application, and from here you have to go in the me. Now once you're in here you have to go in the more services, and here you have to find out the option of the coupons. Now if you don't find it, you can also go in the gift card or your wallet, and from here you are able to find out the coupon of your Shein. Now how you can use the referral code from that coupon, you just have to click any of the item that you want to buy and go into your cart, and after that you just have to simply go in the checkout, and after the order confirmation you have the option to use your referral code into the Shein by in your products. So you just have to add the referral code and you are able to use the referral code into the Shein. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.